What happens after you submit a notice of protest? The Bear Appraisal District, or BCAD, will send you instructions on how to schedule your informal meeting either by mail or email depending on how you filed. Don't forget to check your junk mail periodically for any missed emails. During your informal meeting, you will be able to meet and have a conversation with an appraiser. This meeting may be held in person, by phone, by email if you filed online or virtually on Zoom. The goal of the conversation is to see if you can come to an agreement about the value of your property. You are encouraged to present any evidence you feel supports your opinion of your property's value. For example, you could share photos of home repairs needed such as foundation or drainage issues that show the condition of the property as of January 1st. Or if there are any factors in your neighborhood that you feel may affect your property value, such as crime rates, nearby construction, or environmental issues, that could be evidence as well. Other examples of evidence include, but are not limited to, third-party estimates for any repairs needed, fee appraisals, closing statements, and earnest money contracts. Comparing properties similar in size, age, and location to yours, and that have recently sold, been listed, or appraised at a lower value, can also be considered evidence. Sales information can be found on real estate websites such as Zillow.com. Most protests are resolved at the informal meeting. If you and the appraiser do not agree to a value at the informal meeting, a formal hearing will be scheduled before a 3-member panel of the Appraisal Review Board, also referred to as the ARB panel. At the formal hearing, you will have the opportunity to present your case to the Appraisal Review Board, as will the appraiser for BCAD. After both sides have presented their case, the Appraisal Review Board will determine the final value. For more information about protesting your property value, visit sanantonio.gov/property tax help.